Hello everyone, it is me. Noos. Hi. If I'm here to say I have an idea. Okay. So I will be moving to a new channel. Probably. Yes, I will. With better equipment and all that things that you would need. Lamb, Fun's house, some fishy wishy. Yeah. And basically, I don't know what it's gonna be called. I'm gonna create a video about all that. But yeah, I'm just here to say that's what's gonna happen. And if you don't like it, well, have to deal with it. All those negative 900 of you out there. I hate my voice sounds crazy, and goodbye.